Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have yet another Walgreens haul for you guys. This is the last Walgreens haul that I'm going to do before the new deals start. I did this order online. I also went through the Rakuten website, so I did get back some cents from going through the website. And so everything that you see here, I got for a total of $3.57, making each item just 24 cents. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Oh, and also you guys, these deals started on July 4th, Sunday, July 4th, and they are good up until Saturday, July 10th. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So first off, I used a digital booster that I had, which was the get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. I also used all digital coupons, of course, since I ordered it online. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and start with is the Tide deal. So with the Tide, I went ahead and I grabbed one of the Tide pods, 42 count, and then I grabbed two of the Tide liquids, the 92 ounces. So they are priced at Walgreens this week for $11.99. The deal is when you buy three, you will receive a $10 registry reward. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and purchase three at $11.99. That's going to bring your total to $35.97. We do have two digital coupons that you can use. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide pods, and then we also have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide liquid. So that's a total of $6 in digital coupons that you can use. So $35.97 minus the $6 in digital coupons, that's going to bring your total down to $29.97. And when you buy three, you will receive a $10 registry reward, which I did receive right here. And so with receiving this $10 registry reward, it brought my total down to just $19.97 for all three, or it makes each one just $6.66, which is not what I paid for it. So that is what you would pay if you did this deal individually. So that's the Tide deal. And then next with the soft soap, these are the 7.5 ounces. If you watched my previous Walgreens video, I had the 11.25 ounces, but my store didn't have any more of those. So I just went ahead and I grabbed the 7.5 ounces. So these are priced at Walgreens for $1.99. And the deal is when you buy four, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash. So I went ahead and I purchased four at $1.99, and that brought my total to $7.96. Since I purchased four, I did receive back my $4 in Walgreens cash. That brought the total down to just $3.96 for all four, or it makes each bottle just 99 cents. And then I went ahead and I grabbed this Irish Spring body wash. I was after the Irish Spring soap bars because that's what my husband likes. But my store was out, so I just went ahead and grabbed the Irish Spring body wash. So this is priced at Walgreens for $3.99. We do have a $3.50 digital coupon that you can use on that. So $3.99 minus the $3.50 digital coupon, that makes this bottle of body wash just 49 cents, which is a really great price. So with the Irish Spring, you can also get the soft soap body wash. This is the best week to stock up because you can get it for just 49 cents, which is a really great price. And then I went ahead and I grabbed two of these Gillette foam shave gels, and they are buy one get one 50% off. So one will ring up at $2.99. The second one will ring up half off at $1.49. So $2.99 plus $1.49 is $4.48. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So $4.48. Since I purchased two, I did receive my $4 registry reward right here. So $4.48 minus this $4 registry reward brought my total down to just 48 cents for both, or it makes each one just 24 cents. And then I went ahead and I grabbed three of the Crest Pro Health Advanced Whitening Toothpaste. These are priced at Walgreens this week for $4. The deal is when you buy three, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So I went ahead and I purchased three at $4. That brought my total to $12. We do have a $6 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $12 minus the $6 digital coupon brought my total down to just $6. And since I purchased 3, I did receive back my $5 registry reward right here. So $6 minus this $5 registry reward brings my total down to just $1 for all 3, or it makes each one just 33 cents. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens for $3 each. I purchased 2, so 3 times 2 is 6. We do have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $6 minus the $4 digital coupon brought my total down to just $2. And the deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $2 in Walgreens cash. I did receive my $2 in Walgreens cash, making both of these Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste completely free. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. And then also in this transaction, I used the code GET25, and with me using that code, it took off an additional $11.22. So everything that you see right here before coupons and that code, it cost me $70.40. I used $19.50 in coupons, so $70.40 minus the $19.50 that I used in coupons, that brought my total down to $50.90. And then with me using that code GET25, it took off $11.22. So $50.90 minus the $11.22 brought my total down to just $39.68. But not only that, since I did shop through Rakuten gave me back 52 cents for shopping at Walgreens. So $39.68 minus the 52 cents that I got back, that brought my total down to $39.16. Now, with rewards, I got back a total of $16.59 in Walgreens cash. Of that $16, I got back $4 for purchasing the soft soap. I got back the $10 for spending $50, and that was my digital booster. I got back my $2 for purchasing both of the Colgates, and then I got back 590 Walgreens points. So that's a total of $16.59 that I got back in Walgreens cash, along with my $10 registry reward for purchasing the Tide, my $4 registry reward for purchasing the Gillette shave gel, and my $5 registry reward for purchasing the Crest toothpaste. So in total in rewards, I got back a total of $35.59. So $39.16 minus the $35.59 that I got back in rewards, that brought my total down to just $3.57 for everything you see here, making each item just 24 cents. So let me just go ahead and show you guys my receipts. So as you can see, all 3 of my Crest rung up at $12. All of my Tide, they rung up at $11.99, but the prices are a little different because of the GET25 code, but everything rung up like it was supposed to. And as you can see, my Colgate digital $4 coupon came off, my $3.50 for the Irish Spring, $3 for the Tide Liquid, $3 for the Tide Pods, and then my $6 digital coupon for the Crest. So as you guys can see right there, it brought my subtotal to $39.68, of course, not including taxes. And then with the 52 cents that I got back from Rakuten, I subtracted that, and it brought my total down to $39.16. And then in rewards, I got back $35.59 total. So the $39.16 minus the $35.59, that's how I got the $3.57. So this was a really good transaction, you guys. Again, this is my last transaction before the new deal starts. I am very, very happy with this transaction because you're not going to go into any store and get all of this stuff for $3.57. So this is an amazing deal. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys have gotten so far at Walgreens this week. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I haven't submitted my receipt yet, but I am going to do that as soon as I'm done recording this video. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, don't forget to go to the PG Good Everyday website, and don't forget to submit your receipt there as well so that you can get some points for your P&G product. Also, you guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and give me a follow over there. I am on my way to 500 followers and I'm super excited about that. So I will have my Instagram linked in the description box below so that you can go ahead and follow me over there if you aren't. Again, you guys, that's going to be it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I will see you all in my next video.